Right, space already. Yeah, look, all these is literally for me. This animal company just like literally only copies off Yeeps. Fishing got out of Teeps. Animal company out of fishing.
Shut your
Okay, yeah, okay. Went to lake, be right back. What do you mean by that? Went to lake, be right back. My boat.
Red, where are you?
I'm probably getting.
It's how you get to the OG map.
Bro, why you
map.
spoil it?
Shut your fuck.
Right, bro. Oh man. No, my theory was right. We're gonna go back to the OG map. Yeah, I knew that. My theory was right. As soon as I made that theory, by the way, I quit from the company. Alright, so this way here. This. Oh, yo! What is this? What am I going? Where am I going? I'm in space. Oh. Wait, look. Wait. Look. Oh. Holy shit.
What?
So, alright. I get it. Yo, I see the vision now. Yo, I'm sorry, Animal Company. Yo, what is this? Yo, wait. Yo, stop! Try to get me, I get you, buddy. Right? Our new space mobile.
Everyone, join the code 6.
Let me make this.
6.
I'll help you out today. Just go.
I'll just do it.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh!
Good luck! Good luck!
Woohoo! Oh, flip! Where am I? Ow! Yo, I can't see. Oh, computer. Dude, it's so bright.
You finished all the things in the new space map. Space map.
Oh, flip. Look at this. Oh, it's rain. The main service tool. God. No, I'm not gonna waste your guys' time. Ready? Oh. Oop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shut up. Yeah, that's. Oh, I'm in.
Pineapple, wait for banana! Wait for me!
Alright, we got. I have no idea. What's happening? That's sewers? Yeah, okay. Is that like this girl? That's what happened. Or wait a second. This is. Wait. This is where we enter. Yes! That is the case! That's pitch black. Ooh. I did it! I'm in! Oh my god! Yo! Look, I seriously remember. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but I deleted it. So, look, I did the little Timmy ritual.
We do not.
Yo!
Yep. Okay, so
Oh my God!
do it.
Yo!
Can you
Yo,
give me
I
a
missed
backpack?
it! I missed this! Yo, Animal Company, that's not the texture. Get, fix your game! Oh my God. Yo!
Hey, you should claim the OG item.
Hmm?
Huh?
Dude! I remember this being in like actual Animal Company. Not these. What?
These? Oh, these are OG.
Yeah, I know. But this, like the time where they added this was like out of safe zone, so they just kept on spawn killing everybody. That was
I remember when they had, you know that really old playtest map? When they had Slenderman?
Yeah, I mean I wasn't in that version, but I can play it. Yeah?
Yeah. That's when I started playing.
Oh.
Started playing.
I